these car parking.
Oh, what?
Very cool.
Wait, why are we moving fast? Why are we just starting off?
You're missing all your photos. You want to switch me?
Just gonna pop into it. That's weird. It's like side punch it over.
Crazy because this view is nothing compared to what you're doing. Put a view.
Said that the other day about the
I'm Black Diamond sure.
heard that the other day about the steam train. This is gonna be amazing. It's cloudy.
Hey, only thing we could see was each other.
It was amazing 20 feet right.
My Red Bull's in your bag.
My Red Bull?
My Red Bull's in your bag.
Two of them. And your other crystal. Maybe we can.
I don't like that there's two blue cans in here. Because if you quickly grab it one,
I made sure it was Junebird.
there's another like blue can over the
One berry one.
That was up. At least we're all together.
It's gonna be a problem for them.
My mom would have a lot of money.
No, because I'm guessing somewhere on when we were buying the tickets and we were checking those boxes, it said not liable for injury.
No, not from here. My insurance company.
Hey, we're doing something dangerous. They wouldn't pay out.
No, we're not.
This isn't dangerous. This is considered dangerous.
This is not considered extreme sport.
We're in a gondola. This is it.
Yeah, guys, right here. Probably landslide.
Oh,
You see, it's like clearing in the trees.
it was just like.
Honestly, it's very possible, you say.
I'm guessing it was probably a ski resort. Or ski. Because it goes around both sides.
Yeah, it's possible. And there's a little shed there. If they can find a little ramp.
Or it's the way that the water runs
Yeah,
back.
this is a landslide on Black Diamond.
Stop giving you guys free knowledge.
Because like, where did the trail?
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to pay for it.
Where'd the trail all see? There's a trail now.
Are you really? Are you really?
He's not Black Diamond, sure.
You don't think I would have like signed things the other day when we took the train up to their mountain?
You couldn't see anything.
Yeah, but he ran to the edge. It's still the knowledge. It's
Anybody else's ears completely popped.
I did, yeah, I popped them like twice now.
It's on the
Hold the nose and blow.
So then after this, Nick, we get on a train.
yeah,
For an hour.
30 minutes. For 30, 45 minutes. This is a 15-minute. It probably just once it actually happens.
This is wild, child.
Rich because we get to see it with our own
You know?
Why do you keep saying that?
eyes. I don't know.
But you guys want to have holsters for your thumbs.
I do.
Part of your sleeve.
Is it a problem that I keep saying?
No, it's just I don't know. You just randomly started saying.
Sam.
Yeah.
get 500 miles from this. 250. I'd be on your page.
Yeah.
Your level.
These are equal. Just two of these equal your one monster.
I don't even know where the red ones are.
It's in there, in the big pocket. You probably just fall away to the bottom.
She went for that, the very back one.
It is, the biggest one.
The one that where you put your passport?
Oh, no.
No. Next one, Sam.
The big one.
Honestly, you can grab both. I'll just put one in my mouth, the other one in my bag. Like a blister. Yeah.
He's got a deep dive for the other one. Hold please. Oh, that was
Do it.
quick.
Once she found the spot, she stayed on it.
I had to like feel all around in there.
Yeah, these are
It
better.
takes a lot of time to spot. Oh, no, no.
Wow, this is pretty crazy.
I see another guy over there. Chase up to that little one.
That's probably the ski thing. Our ski.
Where you see people skiing.
That's our train. Your train.
Even if like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ay, ay, ay.
Ja, wir können noch hinten noch.
I'm just realizing too. Dude, I'll go from citrus and then the next one I put it will be like a peppermint or wintergreen.
Yeah.
I just
Now, if we did like a peppermint and a berry, that'd be a little tasty.
Do we get all here?
Yeah, with the top.
no. Stay on and put that down.
I'll send you what my space looks like.
Boom.